In the previous module, we have seen how we can make use of Express and Express Router to build up a web server to serve up REST API. We constructed the entire web server by hand and organized the files by ourselves. Wouldn't it be nice if we had a tool that can automatically generate a standard structure for our Express application? Some kind of a command line interface that enables us to automatically scaffold out a starter application, and then we can go in and modify the application to suit our needs. So that is where Express Generator comes to our aid. Express Generator is a tool that we will install, a command line interface that we will install as a global NPM module, and it enables us to quickly scaffold out an Express application. Let's look at some of the details next. So as I said, what exactly is Express Generator? Express Generator is a quick scaffolding tool that will help us to quickly build up the structure for an Express application with some starter core already built in and some standard middleware already included into the application. And so all that we need to do is install the Express Generator command line interface as a global NPM module and then use that to scaffold out our Express application. So how does Express Generator work? With Express Generator, once you have installed the global NPM module, you just type Express space and the name of your Express application that you want to start. And this will generate a folder with the name of the application that you have typed in. There are various options available for you to generate your Express application. It can use different kinds of view generators like Jade, EJS, and so on. If you're not familiar with them, don't worry about that too much for the moment. In this course, we will be using Express purely as a server that supports REST API. The client-side implementation, we are already doing that using either Angular, Ionic, or NativeScript in this specialization. And once you scaffold out your Express application, you just move into that application and do an npm install to install all the pre-configured modules that are already included in your default Express application and some of the middleware that by default will be included into your application. Once that is done, then it's just a matter of going in and then modifying the generated templates to suit your needs. So what does the typical Express generated application look like? So this would be the directory structure or the folder structure that will be generated by Express Generator. So you have an app.js file, which is the starting point of your Express application. Then you have package.json, which obviously contains the details because this is a Node application. So this contains all the details of the dependencies and so on that will be installed. Then you have public folder where you put your static resources. Then you have the routes folder where you have the various application routes, the REST API routes. Now, if you recall, in the Express application that we generated earlier, I explicitly created the routes folder and put all the Express router files into that folder. The reason is simply to keep match with what Express Generator actually generates when it scaffolds out an application. And then the views is where you have the template engine for generating standard web templates, HTML templates, if you are interested in using them. In this course, we won't be using the views for our Express application in any way. With this quick understanding of Express Generator, let's now install Express Generator in our computer and then use it to scaffold out the server application that we will develop over the rest of the course.